A 2.2% boost in XRP is seen by August 7, Gov Capital suggests. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. Right now, XRP is showing a decline of 1.7% and is trading around $1.0442. Let's pull up the analyst's expectations. The model from CoinDataFlow points to a drop toward $1.03 by tomorrow, a decline of around 1.4%. XRP might edge down to $1.0431 according to Traders Union, roughly 0.1% lower. 30 rates points out the price could rise to $1.0499, about 0.6% above current value. A separate projection by Gov Capital highlights XRP could reach $1.067, an increase of approximately 2.2%. Finally, CoinCodex believes the price could advance to $1.0714 by tomorrow, 2.6% above current levels. This is the highest profit estimate so far. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decrease of 1.4% and an increase of 2.6%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, CoinCodex offers the top projected return with 2.6% growth in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could earn between $1 and $26 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Traders Union's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 78%. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. Taken together, forecasts indicate XRP could rise close to 0.8% overall. Let's peel back the layers. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 0.8%. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $8 return. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 71.5%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. CoinDataFlow signals a steady decline. Traders Union notes that XRP may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. The short-term forecast from Meanwhile 30 rates points to calm conditions, with XRP likely to stay close to where it is now. Gov Capital expects strength on the upside. The projection from CoinCodex also points to higher ground for XRP. By merging all analyst projections, the consensus suggests potential for XRP to push higher over the coming 3 days. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for XRP. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $1.0621. Not one forecast aligned with how the price actually closed. Coin price forecast stood out with the sharpest prediction. Time to unpack the outcome. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. Regarding ROI, the group showed only negative returns. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. Also in today's table, Traders Union had 62.5% forecast probability, $0.0349 accuracy, and minus 1.4% ROI. See if you can tell who predicted it most precisely. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with XRP. XRP isn't on top in this comparison since Cardano currently leads with 0.9% potential growth. This view includes only 5 cryptocurrencies, and you can explore more coins and daily forecasts on my website. You made it all the way through. Thank you for watching. If this was useful, leave a like. It means a lot. Bye, everyone.